Today we're going to be installing some new motor mounts onto my machine in an effort to diagnose and fix my low RPM issue I've been experiencing. Here's the sled. We got it up on the stand, got it all stripped down. And here's the motor. Now there and there are motor mounts. There's two more on the other side of the machine. And let me show you what I mean when I say they are bad. You can grab a bar. This happens to be a spring puller. Put it underneath the motor, and I'm going to use one finger, and the motor's got a lot of free play. Let me zoom in here and see if I can show you. That is a lot of free play in that motor mount that I think is allowing the clutch to twist out of misalignment and stopping me from getting those last few hundred RPMs I've been chasing down. Here are the new motor mounts. In 2018, Polaris actually updated the part numbers, so if you have a 15, 16, or 17 axis, the part number has now changed. We've got part number ending in 291 for the mag side. These are a little softer. And part number ending in 290. This is for the PTO side. These are a lot stiffer. So yeah, let's install these bad girls. So I wanted to show you guys something here. We've got a used motor mount up here on the top, and you can see all the funny wear marks on it. And we've got a new one down here. Looks real good. I don't know about you guys, but I'd rather run this in my machine over that. Here we've got two motor mounts on the PTO side. The left side is the used one, the right side is the fresh one. As you can see on the left side, some of the arms on the donut are a little more worn down than others. You can definitely see it right there on that side where they are worn down. That's why we are replacing these. New motor mounts are in, and to my surprise, there's still a little bit of free play on the motor, but it's definitely not as bad as it was. And there's supposed to be some, I guess, so the motor can twist into alignment, and I think it was just twisting a little too far before, so we're going to take it to the old test course, see if this fixes our problem. Here we are over on the PTO side where all the action happens. PTO side is clutch side. For those of you who don't know, now you do. But let's get the bar in here. And a lot less free play on this side of the machine. That's looking a little better. Hey guys, today we're going to test on the machine, and I just wanted to show you something real quick. Everything on this machine is stock today, and the reason we're doing that is we want to eliminate every possibility and really pinpoint what is causing this low RPM issue and if we can fix it. Sad sight here today. This bums me out. Not really sure what's going on there. It's blowing snow onto the grass. It's pretty peculiar. That blows my mind. Snow blowing onto the grass. On second thought, I kind of backed that behavior. Maybe he's blowing the snow out so his whole yard's covered again. I'd do the same thing. Pulling in down here at the test spot. Ooh! Parking lot to ourselves today. Ain't a soul here. Just me and the feeder gonna do a little testing. Let's get a good parking spot, huh? How about that? Tale's old as time. Raining in Truckee, and it's either snowing or it's good weather out here in the mountains, which it is today. We'll take it. But yeah, look, check this out. There's the truck. There's the trailhead. Doesn't really get much better than that. We're out here on our test course today. It's about the exact same conditions as last time. I'm pretty impressed. Snow is soft. It's not powder, but it is soft. We're gonna be going straight down. And just letting her eat wide open. But before we do any tests, we're going to take her up and down the course a few times, let her warm up, and then we're going to turn the cameras on, do some tests. This is why you pre-run your course and look for stuff. Sucking this up into your tunnel would really blow. That could maybe puncture your coolant line. All right, we ran the course, just a little warm up, didn't give it full throttle at all. Just looking for bumps, weird bumps, debris, anything like that we need to know about. It's time to do some full pulls. Full pull! It's time to do some full pulls! See what this girl's got. Always remember your tether. Test 2. Alright, so we took 4 test runs. We're back over here. We got the dyno jet plugged in. And we're looking here at the first 3 test runs. And you can see, here's idle. I start to accelerate. I didn't really just jam it on. And up here's my max RPM. It's holding consistent, real consistent. Which makes me believe everything's working good and fine. 8,000 RPMs. That's not where we want to be. We want to be a few more up. So we're going to take some more deflection out, add some more deflection, play with a few other things, but really at this point I'm starting to think that we've got another problem that needs fixed as well. So, you know, I haven't done enough testing to know yet, and I got to call maybe Jimmy over at DuPont and talk with him, but I'm starting to think it might be my exhaust valves. Maybe they're not opening fully, something like that. Everything else seems to be working fine, so we're going to do a few more tests here, and if nothing works, it's time to call Jimmy. Days like today are days you find out who you are as a person. You know, I could get all frustrated and pissed off that I didn't solve the problem with what I thought would remedy it. Or I can stay positive, know that there is a solution to every problem, do a little more homework. Maybe make a few phone calls to some people that know a little bit more. We'll get this solved. It really sucks. What can I say? Nothing we can do about it. Sucks to suck. It sucks not to know the answer to every problem. But that's learning, and that's life. Maybe one day we'll know all the answers, but today ain't that day. Today's another learning day. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned as we gonna come up with some more answers. Try those out. See if we can't solve this low RPM issue. Smell that? That's the answer. We're hot on the trail like a bloodhound. We ain't gonna quit. Nah. We ain't gonna quit till it's done. Yep.